Hey, hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to show you a way in which you can make between $100 or even $500 per month without or actually with no investment. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can make between $100 or even $500 per month. You need to take action, okay? You can do this from your laptop or your desktop. From a computer. It can be a Windows computer or a Mac computer, or you can do it from your mobile device, okay? This is active work, so that means that you need to put the hours. But if you want to know what's my number one recommendation is to make money online with passive income, a full-time job, okay? So an income that it's gonna change your life forever. Okay, you have the opportunity to make money online, even if you're traveling, enjoying life, and you're gonna be making way more than $500. I'm gonna leave a link below. That's gonna be my very first link in the description. But now, let's go back to the topic. Okay, we're gonna go with bigtoken.com. Okay, bigtoken.com. Their slogan right now, it's claim your data. If you click here, you're going to watch a video which is going to explain you what Big Token is. But basically, they're telling you that right now, a lot of companies are collecting our data. Whenever you're browsing on your mobile phone or whenever you are just using the internet from your computer, they're going to be collecting your data and why you are not getting paid, right? So they're going to be the middleman between those companies and yourself, okay? So that's basically what their business model is, okay? So basically what you can do, well, it's really easy, really simple. You need to share your data, okay, about you and your interests. You can refer your friends and family, and you can build a network. So that means that you're going to be making money from their activities that they are making as well. Okay, you can join a team or you can create your own team. Okay, you can manage your data and privacy out of the app. Okay, and you're going to be earning points, and those points are going to be transferred or convert into US dollars. And by the way in which you can get paid if you decide is actually with PayPal, okay? Because you can redeem those points and you can get paid with PayPal, okay? Okay, so it's really easy. You can sign up for a free account, okay, with Big Token. Remember, you can go to bigtoken.com or you can download the mobile app. Okay, you're gonna share your data and earn points. Okay, you can answer surveys, you can check into your location, connect with your social account, and much more. Okay, 1 point, it's a penny. Okay, you can manage your digital data. You are gonna decide, okay, which pieces of data you're gonna share with the marketplace and which are you're gonna keep private, okay? Every single time someone accesses this data, you're gonna get paid as well. Remember, you can redeem your points, get rewards as a cash. If you decide to get paid with cash, it's gonna be with PayPal, okay? You can also decide to go ahead and transfer this point into gift cards. You can make donations and ways much more. Okay, again, how does Big Token works? Well, again, you're gonna be answering questions and surveys about yourself. These can be really simple questions like, do you have kids? Did you graduate from high school? Okay, you can check into your location through the day and you can connect your social media accounts. So if you have a Facebook account, LinkedIn account, Instagram, you're good to go. And if you don't have them, go ahead and create them so you can make way more money. Okay. They're going to show you some ads, but you do not need to do anything with them. Okay. Based on the data you share, because this is a worldwide opportunity, right? They're going to give you way more information. Okay. Advertisers are going to buy access to the ad groups because you're going to be placed into an ad group. Well, you will earn a portion of the revenue from the data sale. Okay. Okay. Create and engage with the big community. You can invite your friends and you're going to get $5 for every person you refer. Okay. You can invite your family member. Remember that they don't need to put in money if they just want to jump into this and start making money. You can join teams and you can also create teams. Okay. And together you're going to be making way more money. Okay. So this is going to be like a network. Okay. So if you have some questions, some extra questions, for example, they have the FAQ. You can know more about the GDPR compliances, how they manage the data, how you can delete the data, how you can create your own team, how you can leave the team, how you can redeem the points. Okay. Okay. Right. You can redeem the points for cash, gift cards, donate. Okay. You can also do use something like live subscriptions. Okay, how much can you redeem? Right now you can redeem 25% of the points. This is actually per month. And let me show you, this is something really important, just in case that you're thinking like, okay, how many big token accounts can you create? You can just create one account, and that account is going to be linked to one PayPal account. So two users cannot be using the same PayPal account. So I want you to take that into consideration. The process at the beginning, it can be a little bit slow because they need to verify your PayPal account. So your first payment, it can take up to 7 business days. And what about the points? What's the conversion rate? So right now the conversion, it's 1 point, it's 1 cent. So I want you to take that into consideration. Remember that, hey, you are not gonna get rich with this opportunity, but it's not like a lot of work. It's not that you're gonna put in a lot of hours. Okay, you can download the app in your computer. You can also download the app and use it on your mobile phone. It can be an Android or an iOS device. This is a worldwide opportunity. Okay, I want to check on this. Right, so as you can see, US, but if I scroll down, you're going to see United Kingdom, Canada, Mexico, it's Gagnez, right? Brazil, British Virgin, Chile, Croatia, Dominican Republic, France. Okay, so there's a lot of countries here. So this is a worldwide opportunity. So it doesn't matter where you are, you can get a piece of this pie. But remember, you need to download the app or you need to sign up, okay, on bigtoken.com from your computer. You can refer people. You're going to be making $5 for every person you refer. But you need to be doing active job or active work. If you want to know, again, what's my number one recommendation to make money online, passive income, I'm going to leave a link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share this video with someone he or she might get some benefit from it. This is it for this video. I see you on the next one.